Hello and welcome to my Guru OS review. The first thing I notice on the checkout page is a bundle add-on for 127 months. However, when I check the official sales page, the bundle deal is listed at 317. I'm not sure if there's a difference between the two offers. Even with a $50 coupon, it's still significantly more expensive than just clicking this checkbox. I'm not sure if it's the exact same package, but since this was the first offer I saw, I'll go ahead and buy the base product. After the purchase, I'm taken to an upgrade page. Here, the bundle is offered again, but this time for $230. The pricing structure is a bit confusing. I'm going to skip this upgrade for now, and let's take a look inside the platform itself. Okay, I've logged in for the first time. To get started, I'll create a workspace to test this out. Next, we have options to add to our knowledge base, a custom prompt, manual content, file uploads, or content from our website. I'll add my website, which seems to be taking some time. You can also upload a file or, as I'll do here, add your writing style by pasting in content. I'll click extract and update. I'm not sure if it worked. The system is very slow. Now let's look at the agents for specific niches. We have a search here. Okay, let's try this. I'll choose a step-by-step training format. The target audience options are a little limited, I would say, but let's select fresher, no experience, since that's an option. I'll set the tone to motivational and let the AI generate a name for the course. Let's see what it comes up with. While that's generating, let's look at the integrations. It seems you need to connect OpenAI. You can also connect payment processors, plenty of autoresponders, webinars, and your own SMTP for emails. An integration like Zapier would have been nice. Another thing that comes to mind is the credit system. It shows 1 million characters and 2000 credits. I have no idea if that's per month or a one-time total. So my first impression is that it's an interesting idea with the community features, but like many new tools, it could be executed much better. Let's see what the final content and quality look like. I'll take a short break and be back in a minute. Okay, here are some other limits defined. The interesting part is that if you connect your own OpenAI key, the platform's credits are no longer used. But again, I have 2000 credits here and 1 million characters there, so the numbers are inconsistent. So here is the course outline. From this outline, we can generate the detailed content. Overall, it doesn't look too bad. Let's generate the detailed lesson content and check the credit usage. It used 2 credits, which seems okay. The module selection isn't bad either. Now we have a more detailed version. It's usable, though maybe not the best I've seen. It would be cool if it included some research. Basically, I asked for a course on AI tools. And it shows I have 3 members already. How? Anyway, here's the course. Now let's create a landing page. we have a few different templates to choose from and several settings. It can create fake testimonials. Not sure if that's a good thing, a money-back guarantee, an FAQ, and other default content. You can also add social media and a video if you want. Let's pick this template. Here is my sales page. It's okay. As expected, the content is more mid-quality than high quality, I would say. Here we have the knowledge base, the course agent I used, and now we can create a marketing agent. There are different types to choose from. Let's see if this agent knows about the course I just created. It looks like it doesn't know anything about it and is writing about a generic copywriting course. So it seems you need to train every agent individually, which is a bit tedious. Let's go back to the membership area and check out the groups. In the group settings, you can add a custom script, which is not bad. Okay, the group settings say no members found, but the main dashboard says I have 3 members, and if I try to join a group, I can't. Overall, I'm not sure about this. You can create a blog with AI posts using a custom prompt, but why does it say I have members? Okay, it seems there are some AI members inside. I can't set up events, I can't set up bundle deals, and I can't create more products. It looks like I need to sign up to join my own community, but I can't sign in either. So my first impression is definitely not a strong recommendation. It seems to work on a basic level, but it feels buggy. Here's the main site. Okay, now I'm logged in as a member. This view doesn't look bad. And here's the first post in the community feed, which appears to be nonsensical. The course view looks good. No, also not really. Okay, I will test this a bit further and try the integrations. But for now, it doesn't look like a product I would recommend getting your hands on. So far, I've only bought the front end deal. It might be better if you get the full bundle. But for basic course creation, you can find plenty of tools on AppSumo. This one, Tribe.spot, isn't cheap either, but it includes communities, funnels, members, paid subscribers, and video hosting. It has limits, as you can see, but it's upfront about them. And this is just one example I picked that has community features. If you just search for course builder, for example, you'll see online course host, Forento, OpenLMS, and Learniverse. There are 3 or 4 dedicated course builders available right now on AppSumo. So if you just want course creation, I'd suggest searching on AppSumo or a similar site for a better alternative. The community engagement idea is interesting if it works, of course. But from what I've seen in the community, I don't understand this post. Is this a prompt for an agent? I have no idea. One last thing I'll do is create an AI block. Let's see if this works. I'll ask for an article about cowork from Anthropic, and we have a timeout error. I know this issue from my own projects, but it's still a problem. Okay, no blog posts were created. Let's try creating just one. Okay, that worked. And as you can see, the other blog posts I requested earlier did get created as well. Let's take a look at one. The structure seems to make sense for ranking on Google, but on the other hand, if you look at the actual post, there's very little formatting. And it's not just this one blog post, all of them look this way. It's an interesting idea, but it seems to be done the wrong way without much effort put into the final output. Finally, let's see if we can create an image or a video. I'll try generating a VSL. Okay, the VSL feature does not work right now. But overall, as I said, I suggest you skip this and wait for the version I have planned for the future. Thank you for watching. If you want more real reviews, workflows, and tutorials in the future, please subscribe to my channel or check out my community in the description. I hope to see you in the next video.